Welcome to the 5SBWC and 5SBWCC Sink Base Waste and Cleaning Pullout Organizer installation video. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 5/64" bit, pencil, rubber mallet, awl, tape measure, and tape. For the single unit, you'll find the following parts: a frame, waste container, lid, spray bottles, bottle rack, handle, caps, screw pack frame, screw pack door mounting. For the double unit, you'll find a frame, waste container large, waste container small, lid large, lid small, handle, caps, screw pack frame, screw pack door mounting. We will not be demonstrating a door mounting application in this video. Determine which hinge sticks out into the cabinet opening more. In our case, it's the door hinge. In some other cabinets, it may be the side wall hinge. Measure how far the hinge sticks out and record that number. Take that number and add 4 3/4 inches. Place the template inside the cabinet and align the front edge per cabinet type. For an overlay door, place at the front outside edge of the cabinet. For an inset door, set back the thickness of the cabinet door. Use tape to secure. Use a rubber mallet and awl to mark the 4 screw locations and remove the template. Pre-drill the 4 holes at the screw locations with the 5/64" bit. Attach the handle to the frame. Place the frame inside the cabinet. Line up the holes and install using the screws from the screw pack frame. Snap in the 4 plastic caps to cover the holes. Cycle the unit. For the single unit, place the waste container with lid in the back. Snap the bottle rack onto the frame and insert water bottles. For the double unit, place the small and large waste containers with lids into the frame. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.